Hey everyone, this is week 2, discussion question number 2 about the peer connection and feedback. We were kind of asked to talk about our idea and a few other things. So, my idea basically, I don't really have too much time, to be perfectly honest, and I wanted to do something. I had a couple ideas that I was kind of bouncing around, but the one that has stuck for sure is calling it Hearts for Hope, which is kind of the essential worker hearts that a lot of people see, driving around, that kind of thing. I work at a bank and I am at work all day. And I've mentioned probably before, the bank I work at is mainly for police officers and firefighters. So obviously all essential workers as well. When we go into the bank, it's very just boring and bankish. So I was thinking when I was making hearts one day with my daughter to put on our door about how cool it would be if I just made hearts to put all over the credit union. And then, our whole idea and project came up, and I was trying to kind of think how I could, connect everything together. And I decided and talked to my management, the CEO, and asked if we could basically have customers, if they wanted to donate money to write the name, either their name or someone that they love that's an essential employee's name, or it could be anyone, smiley face, whatever, on a heart, and we hang it on the window. I also actually just ultimately wanted to do this because of a few things. Uh, you know, Obviously, like I said, adding just color to our lobby. I wanted to show appreciation. We have some more ideas coming together with this, which is exciting because, part of like the things that we were asked to talk about growing and learning as a leader, for me, a lot of it has been, once I came up with the idea, kind of rounding up people that would help me, kind of orchestrate it. I'm really busy at work, so I don't have the time to kind of figure out these connections that I can make. So we have a marketing person, so I reached out to her, asked her to find a local organization that we could possibly, kind of pair up with and donate our funds to, that is going to be for COVID. I want to make masks or something, but I'm really not talented and I really don't have time like that. So ultimately, this is kind of my way of giving back, I guess. So we actually linked up with the Community Foundation of Western Massachusetts. Ellen, who's the vice president of Philanthropic Services, is who we've been reaching out to currently. They have a specific COVID response fund for the Pioneer Valley. So that is what the funds are going to go to. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with everything. So I'm pretty I'm going with this. So, in terms of my, my mentor, I've just started the process with Ellen, but I feel like being the philanthropic services vice president, she'd be a good one to maybe reach out and ask what other things I can do to raise donations and to gather funds. My work is more than willing to kind of back me up on this, so it's really cool. So who knows where this is going, but I'm pretty excited and I feel like I got a pretty good start on it. So I hope you all are kind of in the same boat as me and are all staying safe and healthy. So talk to you soon. Thanks.